Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander and welcome to Dish About the Dish Happy Hour, where we are going through all 1,200 plus cocktail recipes in the International Bartenders Guidebook, copyright 1996. And this is a single drink recipe video today, and it is for the All-White Frappe, which has some ingredients in it that makes it very timely for this cold, wet, drizzly wintertime season. And it also has a few ingredients that make me kind of twitch about why they're in this drink, so this should be interesting. But the one thing is the name, frappe, and I hear frappe, and I think crushy ice. Now you do pour this over crushed ice, but I don't know if it'll be the same or the same mouthful, but let's just grab a shot glass and we'll get to it. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start with, it's all the same amount, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce. White creme de menthe. I did get the green kind, and then I remember the title was called All-White Frappe. So I found some white creme de menthe, 3/4 ounce. Same for the Anisette. Got our friend Peppermint Schnapps. So far we have an all clear drink. So I was thinking white cream would go in this, right? No. We're gonna add lemon juice. That's right, our friend lemon juice. I don't see how lemon juice in this makes this white at all, but maybe we'll be surprised. Maybe there'll be a chemical reaction when we shake this up. So that means it's time for shaking montage. Okay, y'all, here we go. And it's still kind of clear. But here we have it, the all-white frappe. Okay, y'all, I'm a little nervous. Okay, I can smell the mint. Is it mint or the peppermint? Peppermint, I'm smelling peppermint. Here we go. It tastes like NyQuil. Oh, that's bizarre. Yeah, it tastes like NyQuil. I wonder if it's as good for you, will knock you out like NyQuil will as well. That is so bizarre. It's not sweet. I don't know if it's the lemon that's giving it that weird taste. Is it the anisette? Oh, it's the anisette. It's the anisette that's giving it that weird medicinal taste to it. Oh, that is bizarre. That is so bizarre. I wonder if it will taste the same if it was blended. Well, now it's white. Okay. I don't know if this will do anything for it, but let's see. Okay, that's the funny thing. Oh my gosh. So it breaks up the pepperminty bit, because at first you get a peppermint bit, then a weird medicinal aftertaste. Now you just get a slight medicine aftertaste, but nothing else. And I keep drinking it, try to figure this thing out. I don't know. It is a bizarre one, folks. It is a bizarre one. I don't think I will be having this again. I think this will be my only experience with the all-white frappe. But you tell me, have you had this one before? Is this your favorite holiday drink? Do you drink it anytime? I mean, it's pretty, but oh, maybe the next time I have a cold and I need to go to sleep, I'll have one of these instead of some NyQuil. But thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate any time that you spend with me. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we know when we make more of those 1,200 cocktail drinks. But until next time, y'all.